Industry gears up for the upcoming challenge of vaccine distribution.
To secure the whole logistical chain, from the lab which are producing the vaccine down to the hospital or the clinic or the center that will vaccine people. And in this logistical chain, air transport plays a key role, but we have worked with all the other members of the chain. We have issued a guideline and kind of manual to implement the proper rules, regulation, recommendation to ensure that this major logistical challenge will be properly handled. And we have been working on that for weeks now. So we think that we are ready.
We are preparing for this for weeks now, more expecting this to be happening next year and summer next year than now as early as it will happen. But I think we are ready as an industry. We understand that there's different vaccines. Some will require extreme cooling, some will require less cooling, but the industry has shown in the past that these cooling transports can be done in a qualitative way, that the quality is checked all along the travel chain. We have been investing, we as an industry, in cooling hubs around the world to allow distribution. And I think the cargo airlines around the world have also used IATA to exchange best practices. This is not about competing, this is about a joint effort.
So thanks for bringing the whole industry on such a large platform together.
Overall, it is a thumbs up for this industry from my side.
This is the beginning. The power of India has come now.
Industry veteran Samir Shah highlighted the importance of custom brokers.
We must understand that the custom broker is right at the center of international trade. It is he who ensures compliance. It is he who ensures that all export and import happen within the boundary of the law. It is the custom broker who gathers, organizes, and manages all the information, all the data, all the rules, all the regulations, all the circulars, public notices, standing orders, instructions to ensure that international business happens within compliance limits, happens within the law. And most importantly, he helps the exporters and the importers in the movement of their international cargo seamlessly, smoothly, and on time.